Due to pandemic travel restrictions, RetroTek technicians have developed equipment and processes to enable customers to remotely install our products without the need of our installation team to travel. Our design team focused on simplifying the process for customers installing our products by modifying designs and providing tools that make the installation and operator training process easy. Our ability to remotely access live machines over Wi-Fi or phone hotspots have proven invaluable to our customers. We can log into the RetroTek system directly during a live survey to assist a customer. RetroTek D systems are designed with remote support for after-service maintenance, diagnostics, and software updates in mind. We have assisted both experienced and novice customers to install systems with relative ease. When you invest in a RetroTek D system, you know you are investing in the latest technology that delivers the safest, most accurate, efficient, economical, and eco-friendly retro-reflectometer system in the world. This is the perfect solution for full roadway marking network condition assessment to help road agencies deliver safer road networks for road users and to ensure their roads can enable ADAS and autonomous vehicles to operate safely. RetroTek systems. One pass, one lane, all markings. The future in road marking condition assessment.